Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 slow startup problem. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab, disable all application having high startup impact. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Check Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.